Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Samsung finally announced their Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now this is pretty exciting if you ask me. I've been waiting for this phone and like the announcement of it for a while now, and since the last Fold phone, I really wanted it, but I just could not get my hands on it. Even if I tried, like buying it was such a hassle. So I just gave up and said I'll focus my efforts on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So with that being here, what I want to talk about really quick is obviously the price, because I know a lot of people want to know about that. And then as well as 3 things that got me really excited about this phone, and maybe it'll excite you too. So the first thing I want to talk about are the updated displays. So they finally showed off that they really elongated the display on the front. So that's going to be a full 6.2 inch Infinity O display. And obviously to me, I think that's better than the last display they had, because the last display was a lot smaller, but the real gem is on the inside. So in there, you're gonna have a 7.6 inch QXGA Infinity O display capable of being ran at 120 Hz. Now, when it comes to having that much more space, I think 120 Hz is perfect. Now, it's not something or a feature that I am still actively going to find, but whenever I am looking at devices, especially tablets, 120 Hz really does make a difference, in my opinion, in the usability of a tablet than it would on a cell phone. But the fact that this is a 2-in-1, I think it would be cool if the front display ran at either 60 or 120, you get the option, and then if the center main one is only 120 Hz, I would be fine with it, but yeah, I think that's a good step, and it's definitely going to help people really see and feel like the device is different because it's running a lot smoother perceptibly. And another thing that I really want to try this for with the displays is the multitasking that they showed. Now, it's going to take a while because you're going to have a lot of apps that aren't necessarily going to run to the full extent that it can on here, but the fact that it's going to be a lot smoother, you have a bigger display, you can fit 3 apps on the screen. I'm very eager to see if that changes anything on a size display like that, because you can oppose that to like the 11, 13 inch tablets that are out there now, so we'll see. And now the second thing is basically that, the fluidity of the device and the way things are appearing to look when multitasking. Now, everything's not going to be for sure until we get the final product and get it in our hands and try it out, of course, but the idea of being able to run a lot of apps and being able to be very versatile with the device, right? Like using the back cameras as your main camera, and simply by flipping the phone, you can see what it is you're going to take a photo of. Like something like that to me is pretty cool, and I think for an average user and anyone that wants a reason to buy a device like this that costs so much too, you know, you have to win them over by the small things, and I think that's one of those small things that really will help. So it's not only just that, but just the way, also for example, they showed the emails, and I love this because I check email all the time. Seeing the email, or like just checking your messages in general and being able to click on it on the left side, but on the right side to display the entire contents, that to me is a way better multitasking experience, even though you're technically not multitasking, because you don't need to click on something, let it pop up, you read it, click the back arrow, find the next one. Seeing text messages, Facebook messages, WhatsApp messages, Snapchats. Ooh, imagine Snapchat being able to take advantage of both. Camera on one side, your messages on the other or something. I don't know, probably not gonna happen. And the last thing kind of pertains to the future, but it also can be paving the way using this device for this. Now, Samsung said it has a 4500 dual intelligence battery, right? And considering that we're getting a phone that is supposed to be a 2-in-1, you know, being able to be used as a regular cell phone, but then being able to switch to tablet mode, because it's part tablet mode, I'm wondering, are the future of these devices to have batteries that last in a way almost the way a tablet would if you use the tablet for a phone? And the thing is, not all tablets have great battery life anyway, so some die maybe a day and a half if you use it heavily, of course, or if you play games, that's gonna drain the battery. But imagine having the capacity power of a tablet in terms of battery, but having it be living that long on your phone, because it also switches into a tablet, so it needs to have the versatility of both. Just an idea. For all I know, the battery life's gonna be great. You know, 4500 isn't a small feat. I kind of thought it would be slightly bigger, and I'm only saying it because you have 2 chassis you're working with, so being able to put it on either side of the phone. But I mean, you know, it's still a big battery, so this is gonna be interesting. And the last thing I really like is just the design of the phone. I am so excited to try a folding phone. I am so excited to be part of the people that try these phones out, give their honest opinions, give their feedback, and pave the way for these phones to eventually become a lot more common if they pick up, of course. But yeah, it's exciting. I don't know, I'm just really excited. I really want to try one out, and if I can get this phone with the blue hinge that they showed and then the phone itself be black, but all right, let's hope I get the phone, because I'll be one happy spider if I can. But yeah, no guys, seriously though, this is gonna be exciting. I'm looking forward to trying my hands on this. I'm gonna be like you guys, watching every other tech reviewer get it before I can, but it'll be worth the wait. I promise I will not drag too long to get it. We'll see, I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comment section. If you're excited about the phone as well, let me know. And if you are new, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you subscribe for more future videos. And above all guys, what's really important is to be safe, stay clean, make good choices, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.